Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing a new lens, Sigma 17 to 50mm f2.8. So that is like a sister lens with this Sigma 10 to 20mm f3.5. I really enjoy shooting with this ultra wide angle. So I thought I want to get some, general zoom lens, standard zoom lens that is fast, because right now I'm shooting with the key lens, Lumix 12 to 60mm at 3.5 to 5.6. So this is really slow, and the photo at night is just really dark and noisy, very difficult. And I want to get some really nice bokeh shots. So here we go. I got it from Amazon. Right now this lens is really cheap, so that's why I chose this over the Sigma 18 to 35 f1.8, though that one has much better aperture. f1.8 is much faster, but this one is smaller, also cheaper, much cheaper. This one costs only about 300 euros. The Sigma 18 to 35 will cost at least 500. Right now it's about 700. Anyway, let's open this up. This one I bought from Amazon, so you can find it even cheaper than 300. Like on eBay you can find it at 250, even 220 sometimes if you find a good deal. Anyway, it always comes with a very nice pouch. I really like the pouch from Sigma. Here is the lens and lens cap. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, I have to swap that lens on there. Okay, cool. Well, it looks pretty new. It doesn't look that old, like it's not really super used. The lens, there's some smudges, but nothing I can clean. So I think we're good. Beautiful lens to me. The zoom ring is kind of there's more resistant when you zoom from 17 to 50, and when you zoom back in, it's very smooth and very easy. It's like there's this difference. And then this is a focus ring. Oh my god, the focus ring is really weird. Okay, because it's manual focus mode, that's why. I mean autofocus mode. I switched it back to manual focus mode, and now it's very easy to turn. Because when you toggle it to AF, you're not supposed to use this manual focus ring. And here's actually some rust. This is a rusty nail. Alright, cool. Let's put on the lens hood. Beautiful lens. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, right now we're shooting with the Sigma 17 to 50mm f2.8. Oh, I need to adjust the aperture. Let me see. First, let me find a focus, and then I'm gonna adjust the aperture later. Oh wow, the focus ring is really short to travel, but I like it. It's easy to find focus. Like you can turn to the background very fast like this, and then back and go back and forth like this. It's very easy for shooting video. All right, let me check the aperture. I'm not sure. All right, okay, so it is indeed maximum aperture f2.8, which with the speed booster, it becomes f2. So yeah, that's pretty fast. I mean, I recently just sold a Lumix 25mm f1.7 to get this lens. It gets more versatility, more range. Though f2 is not as fast as f1.7, but the difference is not that big, so I can live with that. And this lens will have a nice advantage of a better range. Let's see. Only zoom into 50mm all the way. Yeah. Okay. Here's the 10 to 20mm lens. Put it in focus. There you go. So this is my unboxing video, and I'm gonna shoot a few samples, some photos and videos, and put it here after this. And you can take a look yourself. And in the future, I will also make a review video of this lens, like comprehensive full review of the lens, and compare it to the key lens, the Lumix 12 to 60. So we'll see what happens.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is the widest 17mm lens. That 17mm is 24mm full frame equivalent. And I found a focus here. And a Bokeh. Ah, that's Sony. What if I zoom in? Zoom in. This. Let's find a focus again. When you zoom in, it's actually much easier to find focus. Yep. Got it. And we zoom out. We're gonna find a focus again. Because that's how this lens works. It's not parfocal. You gotta keep finding the focus, damn it. And we pan it. And we point the camera to there. And we have to find a focus for the background. It's actually very fast to find focus. Look at this. Back and forth. And back and forth. Finding focus manually is very easy with this lens. To be honest, it's very enjoyable to do. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this one. There. And the one in the back. And this one. And that one. And this one. And that one. And here. And here. Manual focus using human power to find out the best. Well, I guess I'm gonna use this for videography. For more deliberate shoot. Like if I want to just run and gun, I'm gonna grab the kit lens 12 to 60 because it's easier autofocus.